Hello guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing great. Look, this is my first video that I have recorded using a professional software, and I've edited this video using a professional software. I am a novice. This is my first time, so if there are any bugs, just let me know. Okay, so I'm going to record this lesson, and what you're going to do is just watch the lesson, and when I say pause the video, you need to click the space bar, and then you pause the video, and then you do exercises, and then you hit the space bar again, and then the video goes on. Okay, let's try and start. So when you go to myenglish.lab.com, you will see this picture, and hopefully you will have already added this book to your collection. If you haven't, you will need to enter the product code. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this to see the digital book. Right, so I've got a lot of digital books here. I don't know how many books you will be able to see, but you will definitely be able to see this book. This is our book we're going to work with. So let's just click on it. Okay, what may happen that the computer will want you to download and install Flash Player and just check the pictures. So what you will need to do, just click on this thing here, and you will need to choose Flash Allow, and then you will need to reload the page. Okay, so the lesson we're going to work with is 1. Oh, sorry, it's not here. It's 1.6 speaking, so I'm going to click on it. All right, and then everybody, you will need to click on this projector whiteboard icon here, and then you can see that's the full screen video here, the full screen book, and then you can just view and enter full screen here. Okay, so as you can see, this lesson is about making suggestions. Suggestions is like when you offer someone to do something. For example, let's go for a walk, or what about going for a walk? So this is about making suggestions. Okay, so have a look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? Okay, can you hit the space button, pause this video, and say a couple of sentences about this picture? Okay, thank you very much. Now we're going to, let me see if we have the audio for this. No, we probably don't have an audio for this. So what we're going to do now is just to read this text here. So you should have access to your own book, but if you don't, now you can hit the space bar and just read this text here. So hit the space bar, read the text. Okay, and here is the second part of the text, so you can read it from your screen, or you can hit the space bar and make the video stop for a couple of minutes and read the remaining of the text here. Okay, so now guys, the next exercise will be, so look at exercise 1 here. It says class vote, but we cannot vote at the class. So what you're going to do is to hit the space bar and describe each cat in a couple of sentences. So now hit the space bar. Thank you very much. So now we're going to the next exercise here, and you will need to watch or listen. So I'm going to click on the watch button. So for the first time, you don't need to read these questions. Let's just watch the video and see what this video is about.
Hi, Alicia. Welcome to my canal boat. Let's go in.
This is so cool. So are you doing your poster?
No, not now. I'm filming my cat for an online video. Like these.
Oh, I love Ninja Cat. Your cat can be famous too.
You could help me.
Okay, cool. Where's your cat? What's his name?
Her name is Hissy. She's a girl.
Oops, sorry. So, where is she?
I don't know. She usually hides from visitors.
Why don't we look for her? Maybe she's behind the sofa.
I can't see her. Oh yes, she's there. But she isn't coming out.
What about putting some food down?
Good idea. Dinner time, Hissy.
Look, I can see her eyes. Shall we film her there?
Yeah, why not? She looks funny.
What's up? Oh, she doesn't like the camera.
Hissy, where are you going? Come back.
Don't worry, you can call the video Cross Cat.
Okay, guys, sorry, I just was talking and I forgot to switch on the microphone. Do you remember the cat? Yeah, it's beautiful, yeah, and it was like purring. Okay, now what we are going to do now, I'm going to leave this open and I'm going to play this again. So you will need to listen and you will need to answer the questions here. All right, so remember what you can do. You can always hit the space bar, put the video on pause and answer this question. So guys, don't cheat, because if you are cheating, you're not cheating on me, because I've done my job. I've recorded this video. If you're cheating on yourself. So every time you're answering a question, you need to say a couple of sentences out loud. All right, let's just listen to this. Remember, if you added this product, if you have this book, you will be able to click and listen to this audio yourself, but I'm going to do it now.
Audio 1.27.
Hi, Alicia. Welcome to my canal boat. Let's go in.
This is so cool. So are you doing your poster?
No, not now. I'm filming my cat for an online video. Like these.
Oh, I love Ninja Cat. Your cat can be famous too.
You could help me.
Okay, cool. Where's your cat? What's his name?
Her name is Hissy. She's a girl.
Oops.
Right, guys, sorry. I've just realized, but this is the transcript of this recording. So why don't we just listen to this again, and at the same time we can read this recording. And you know what you can do? You can just speak along with the recording. So you can just listen and read out loud as well.
Audio 1.27.
Hi, Alicia. Welcome to my canal boat. Let's go in.
This is so cool. So are you doing your poster?
No, not now. I'm filming my cat for an online video. Like these.
Oh, I love Ninja Cat. Your cat can be famous too.
You could help me.
Okay, cool. Where's your cat? What's his name?
Her name is Hissy. She's a girl.
Oops. Sorry. So, where is she?
I don't know. She usually hides from visitors.
Why don't we look for her? Maybe she's behind the sofa.
I can't see her. Oh yes, she's there. But she isn't coming out.
What about putting some food down?
Good idea. Dinner time, Hissy.
Look, I can see her eyes. Shall we film her there?
Yeah, why not? She looks funny.
What's up? Oh, she doesn't like the camera.
Hissy, where are you going? Come back.
Don't worry, you can call the video Cross Cat.
Okay, guys, now we're going back to exercise 2. So please hit the space bar now, put the video on pause and answer these questions in your own words, and don't forget you need to actually say your sentences out loud. Okay, and now we are going to learn how to make suggestions. So you can see what you can do. You can say, you could look online, or let's look for it. What about texting her? Why don't you charge it? Shall we watch Friends? So let's have a look at our script here, okay? And find more examples of suggestions. And let's see, you could help me, that's the example, right? And the other one will be, what about putting her some food down? All right. And shall we film her? Right. And probably that's it. So this is how you make suggestions. And then if you like a suggestion, you can accept it by saying yes, great idea. So for example, let me see. What about putting some food down? Good idea, great idea. Yes, why not? Okay, cool. Or if you don't like suggestion, you can just reject the suggestion saying, I'm not sure, I'd rather not. So for example, what about putting your cat down? I'm not sure, I'd rather not. Okay? And the next step is exercise 4. What you are going to do, I'm going to play this recording. You are going to listen to 6 speakers and you are going to respond. So what you will need to do, you will need to choose some of the expressions from this box and remember, you will need to hit the spacebar.
Audio 1.28. 1.
My phone isn't working.
So what would you say? I would say, why don't you charge it, or why don't you switch it on? So what's your ideas? Or my phone is not working. You can say, okay, shall we watch Friends instead? So the next speaker.
2.
I can't find my pencil case.
Okay, hit the space bar. Think what you could say in this situation. And I would say you could look under your bed, or why don't you look under your bed? All right, now speaker 3.
3.
What program do you want to watch?
Okay, so probably the best answer is, shall we watch Friends? Shall we watch Rick and Morty? Shall we watch the latest news about this bloody coronavirus? And of course, you can say, yeah, great idea. Nah, why not? Or I'm not sure, I'm tired of this coronavirus already.
4.
I can't answer this homework question.
Okay, hit the space bar, think. And what's your suggestion? By the way, I've already forgotten what this speaker was speaking about, so I'm going to just rewind a little bit.
4.
I can't answer this homework question.
Aha. So why don't you write to your teacher and ask for more information, or you could text your friend and ask if they know how to do this, and then you say, all right, yes, great idea. So the next speaker will be here.
5.
My mum is late.
Right, hit the space bar, think, and of course, what about texting her? Yeah, great idea. Or I'd rather not. My mum is illiterate. She cannot read. And speaker 6.
6.
Let's go for a walk.
Yeah, great idea. Fresh air is good for health. Okay, cool. No, I'd rather not. I'm tired. All right. And again, going on to exercise 5. So obviously you haven't got a pair here at home, so your inner self is going to be your pair. So first you choose a situation, then hit the space bar and think what suggestion you can make. I'll show you an example, all right? So the first situation is going to be, I need some information for my project, says someone to you. You could look online. There are a lot of information about this topic on the internet. Yeah, great idea. The second situation could be, the teacher is late. What about texting him? Or what about texting her? I'm not sure, but I haven't got a number anyway. Okay, guys. So actually, that's it for today. So what we have learned is how to make suggestions and how to accept suggestions, how to reject suggestions. So stay safe, stay healthy. See you soon.